In 2001, one of America's most powerful companies collapsed overnight, taking billions of dollars and thousands of jobs with it. This wasn't just a business failure, it was a massive fraud that exposed corporate corruption at the highest levels. Today, we will uncover the shocking story of Enron Center, how greed, deception, and unethical accounting led to one of history's most infamous corporate disasters. Enron started as humble natural gas pipeline company in 1985. However, it transformed into an energy trading giant under CEO Ken Lay and later Jeff Skilling. By the late 1990s, Enron was the seventh largest company in the US, praised for its innovation in energy markets. But behind the scenes, Enron Rise was built on deception. They used mark-to-market accounting, recording future profits immediately, even if they were never realized. And when losses build up, they conceal them through off-the-books partnerships, keeping investors in the dark. By 2001, cracks in Enron Foundation were impossible to ignore. Whistleblower Sharon Wakin warned CEO Ken Lay that the company was house of cards ready to collapse. Investors, and including financial experts Jim Chanos and journalist Bethany McLean, started questioning Enron's suspicious accounting practices, leading to a deeper investigation. The truth was shocking. Enron had $1 billion in hidden losses, buried in a web of off-the-books partnerships, masterminded by CFO Andrew Fastro. These fraudulent tactics helped the company hide debt, fabricate profits, and mislead investors. When the deception was finally exposed, it triggered a financial disaster that wiped out billions of shareholders' value and destroyed thousands of livelihoods. Enron wasn't just struggling, it was hiding $1 billion in losses like dirty laundry, using fake companies with cool names like Raptor to deceive everyone. A stock that once dazzled Wall Street at $90 per share plummeted to just 0.26 cents, wiping out fortune overnight. On December 2, 2001, Enron filed for bankruptcy, the largest corporate collapse in US history at that time. Thousands of employees lost their jobs, their life savings, and their trust in corporate America. The fallen out sent shockwaves through Wall Street, forcing the financial industry to rethink oversight, transparency, and accountability. What do you think? Are today's corporations more transparent, or could another Enron happen? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into financial scandal, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.